Sa Shopee, pi, 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 pi. What's up guys, Joey here of Yugatech. And in the world of online shopping here in the Philippines, it can definitely be hard to find good deals, especially when it comes to gadgets. It can get confusing at times since there are tons of potentially sketchy sellers out there with items at very low prices, as if it's almost impossible. And it can be hard to tell if they're legit or a complete scam. There are also some that are priced way too expensive, and that's kinda weird sometimes. So in this video, we're not just gonna be giving you tips on how to find good gadget deals, but the best gadget deals on Shopee and Lazada. So hear me out. Step 1, it's very simple, is to just download the Lazada and Shopee apps on your phone. It's as simple as that. I know it sounds very basic, but there are vouchers that can only be used in the apps that don't work on the website. Next up, keep out an eye for flash sales. Most of the best deals are there. You'll be able to see in advance what items will be selling during a given period of time. And you can then set a reminder prior to the day of the sale itself. Be reminded though that only a limited amount of units are up for flash sale, and first checkout is first served and first sold. Also, apart from that, be sure to notify yourself of big sale dates. You know, 11/11, 12/12, payday sale, and others. Because during these times, discounts are often bigger and there are a lot of vouchers up for grabs during these dates. Another thing, be on the watch for vouchers such as free shipping, 20 pesos off, 8% off, 10% off, and more. These vouchers could greatly reduce the costs, especially when you order high-value items, and hey, even if it ends up being a small discount, that's still money saved at the end of the day. Bonus tip, online shopping applications often welcome you with a voucher reducing your first purchase by 100 pesos, so it always helps to use a new account. You can also offer your referral codes to your friends, office mates, or family in order to gain coins that you can use to reduce the cost of your purchase. These codes then help them get the less 100 first purchase voucher. You can use our chief intern Wax's code to save you 100 pesos off your first purchase. Wait, who wrote this? Wax! You may also check out and join groups on Facebook that talk about discounts on Shopee and Lazada. These can give you information for upcoming discounts as well as voucher codes to help you in your purchase. Different modes of payment such as GCash, PayMaya, Google Pay, Lazada Wallet might help you get voucher codes that are exclusive only to these types of payments. But of course, before purchasing a product, make sure to check the reviews about the seller and to look into the comments and ratings of the product. Don't be fools! It's always important to first check the seller's page and see if there's anything fishy about it. However, sometimes best deal products are often overlooked due to the lack of ratings of the actual product. If you're a risk taker, you can purchase products with a low number of ratings or maybe none at all. But the risk is reduced by the fact that both Shopee and Lazada offer returns and refunds for things like damaged products, fake products, wrong variations, and of course, this is a good policy. Do note though that when you want to refund a product, it takes time because the matter has to be thoroughly investigated for the benefit of both you, the buyer, and them, the seller. Sadly though, there are some online shops that don't give you a refund for shipping fee and don't show the original price of the product if a voucher was used. In addition, there are also some shops that will require you to be the one to shoulder the shipping fee of returning the product to their shop. But there are also some shops that actually don't require you to return the product to get a full refund, especially if it's defective. But as a general rule for safety, to avoid any of these problems, be sure to test your product intensely when you first receive it, and if you can, try to verify your serial number online. This way, you will know right away if it needs to be returned. Such cases of faulty products are resolved by Shopee and Lazada's offer of 1-week refund or replacement warranty. If you go over 1-week warranty, it's at the discretion of the specific seller, however. And there you have it guys, we hope these tips helped you find the best gadget deals online. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping!